this product really had me intrigued. Hey chickies, thank you so much for hanging out for this haul from shopmissa, which we are going to unbag together. We're not doing full-on reviews on these. I'm thinking about filming full-on reviews because some of these products in here have me super intrigued. So in case you're new here, I'm Christine and this channel is dedicated to all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle vlogs. So we'd greatly appreciate it if you would please subscribe and be a part of the chickie crew. Also, if you enjoy these types of videos, haul videos, please make sure you give it a like. Let's go ahead and open this because I'm so excited to see these products in person. Now the great thing about shopmissa is that everything is always packaged very well. However, there was one time when a lot of the products were broken because the bubble packaging was deflated in some areas, but today you can see everything is packaged really well. I'm going to make sure to link them down below, including all the products that we're going to be just unbagging today. Great thing about shopmissa are that all their products are very affordable. They always have bundles where you can save a bit of your money. We have, these are, oh my gosh, I didn't realize I ordered the small version, but these are the mini super soft pawpaw wonder blenders. So these would be great, especially for the under eye area, you know, if you want to blend out your concealer. Their blenders, by the way, are really good. Very, very good in my opinion. So they're like super tiny, but you know, it's okay. Maybe if you want to use it in like smaller areas, melt your highlight into your face, these are great for that as well. So these are a small little pack of them. I wish I had actually purchased the bigger size of these. They are also blenders which I currently use on an everyday basis. AOA Studio 3D Faux Mink Premium Natural Lashes in the style Christine. These are some of my favorites, not because it's the same name as me, but love these because they are really great, especially for those days when you want to just wear lashes but you don't want to wear a liner. You can get these really close to the lash line. They are very lightweight, they are very affordable. They're only $1.55 per set. AOA Studio hair grippers, and they are 2 pieces. It kind of looks like a bow. I used to own some of these back in the day. They're a good size. Look how big these are. The thing I like about these is that they really push your hair back and it doesn't leave a crease. I have another set of the AOA Studio lashes in Christine. That's just how much love these lashes. I think it's easier if I just take everything out of this bag so it doesn't make a whole bunch of noise. In total, we have 4 of the Christine lashes. I think you can tell I'm obsessed with this style. AOA Studio Pore Filling Primer. It creates smooth, even skin for makeup. I believe this is one of their newer products and was really intrigued by it. So thinking that most likely, maybe for like trying new makeup products, we're going to try this primer out and see how it holds up. I did want to try out these 2 brow products because it's pretty new on their website. It's called the Easy Brow Styler. Here's what it looks like. On one side, we have the brow pencil, which is angled. It has an angled triangular shape, and then on the other side it has a little small brush, you know, to kind of like brush through the product. So we are definitely going to try this out. We have 2 different, did I get the same shade? Oh, I both got them in dark brown. Even though the brows are ombre powder brows, had them done maybe about almost 2 years ago, have been filling them in. Know I need to get them touched up very, very soon, but just wanted to try these out, so we will try this out in a video. We also have 2 liners. The packaging is so pretty. These are called the AOA Water Smudge Proof Liner in black. Wanted you to be able to see the packaging without the wrapper because it is very pretty. I mean, it kind of looks like a pen, right? So let's actually swatch this. And if you watched the monthly favorites video, did speak about a product that I was really looking forward to, but it was a fail. If you haven't seen that video, we'll link it at the end of this one. But here is the swatch of the black waterproof liner. I mean, it looks promising, but you know, it's not until you actually apply it that's when you get to see how it really applies. Feels like a felt tip, but the pigmentation and also the way how it sets, it looks like a matte black. Remember a little while ago I was saying that if you buy a whole bundle you can save a bit of money, so I did end up getting the whole set of the AOA gel lip liners. And the packaging on this is very pretty. It's pink, but you know, it's not always about the packaging, right? It's about the product itself. Every gel lip liner that you would need. So you have a red one. This one is called Yeehaw. Whiskey, which looks like it's more of a brown. Boots, which is another brown. Lasso, which is a dark brown. Pony, which looks like a little bit on the cooler side. Cowgirl, which looks a little bit more on the peachy side. Howdy, a mauvey pink. And then we have Rodeo, which looks like it would be a lighter brown. Let me know if you'd be interested in a lip swatch video of these lip liners because they look very pretty. Now this was more of like a random product, but they're called finger chopsticks, a hands-free snacking utensil, and I was just so intrigued by this. I have seen it on a couple of TikToks and on Reels. Say if you don't want to touch your Cheeto, you know, you don't want to get Cheeto fingers. These are great because they're like little chopsticks for your fingers, right? Pick up the wrapper. These are a nice little gadget to have. So I did get one in pink and another one in black. We do have a skincare item. It's more like an organizer, but wasn't really sure on the sizing. So let's open it. Ooh, these are a lot smaller than I thought it would be. It's essentially a skincare stand. Now that I'm seeing that it's a lot smaller, I kind of wish I bought two of them. But it's a skincare organizer, but of course it can be used for other things as well. But I just figured, you know, you can put like the under eye gel patches in here. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but it is going to be for the skincare. So definitely look out for an organization for the skincare area. And I love how it's in pink. That's like the main reason why I got it, because it's a pink little organizer. Two hair products. The first one is called the AOA Studio Lifting Volume Hair Clips. Lift plus volumize hair at the roots. And they essentially look like little rollers. So I really want to try this out. Of course, not today because we do have some hair volumizing product, but wanted to see if it actually works. So they're like little hair rollers. Put them in so that you can give your hair some extra volume. We'll definitely test this out. And this one had me very intrigued because I did see a reel on this. It's the AOA Studio No Heat Wavy Hair Curlers. Heatless, easy way to use wave curlers. And this just had me very curious if it works. Here's like a little preview of what it's supposed to do. We'll definitely be filming a video on this. You know, we're gonna put it on together at night and then how it looks in the morning, so you get to see like a realistic view, because I am not the type of person who sleeps in one place. I'm definitely more all over the place. It'll be interesting to see how it looks in the morning. Let me know if you'd be interested in it, because this product really had me intrigued. So that's everything I picked up for this haul from Shop Miss A. Let me know which products you are most interested in to see a full-on review, wear test on them. Would love to hear your thoughts. Also, if you've picked up any items from Shop Miss A, if you have any recommendations, please leave them below. Shop Miss A really does have a lot of great products on their website, and I think you know, if you've been here for a while, that I am a fan of products from Shop Miss A. As always, chickies, I hope you enjoyed hanging out for this video. Hope you enjoyed just checking out the newest items. If you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, and also just found it entertaining, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing, wonderful day, night, or evening, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.